आगे बढ़ते हैं, आओ आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
ma'am. Everyone keep attention. Today is our last period in KV Southern Command in your class. I got transferred. I may be relieved within 1 or 2 days. But today's day, I would like to know you have taken admission in science class. So you should introduce yourself. Tell me what is the intention behind taking science, this subject, and what are your future plans. Come on.
My name is
Louder.
My name is Suraj Meena.
Huh.
I scored 85% in class 10. I took PCM for CS.
CS.
I want to become an engineer.
Very good. But engineering, which stream you would like to go?
Software.
Software. Software engineering. Okay. I have query, but I will come back to you. Okay. Next.
My name is Aksh Tiwari. I joined Kendriya Vidyalaya because it has good facilities and teachers, and I chose PCMCS because I want to become a software engineer.
Software engineer. Is there any entrance test for that software engineering admission? You know, don't know. Now you need to find out. Next.
Good afternoon. My name is Gargi Bhuge. My score in 10th CBSE was 93%. My dream is to go get admission in IIST.
Okay.
It's
What
a
is this
college.
IIST?
Indian Institute of Space Technology.
Very good. Stay up. I keep attention. Okay, you people should be aware of those branches what you shared here. And do you know the prerequisite of that course? What is the requirement?
Not completely, ma'am.
Then we need to find out. Why? Intention behind taking this session right now. Intention behind taking this session right now. Going in blind area without torch and with torch. You tell me which one is better? With torch. So you should be focused. You should know the prerequisites with eligibility of that area and work on that. This is the correct time. But if you will come to know after your 10th and 12th, now whatever score you scored and requirement is more than that, how can you go for that course? So you should find out eligibility criteria, what are the requirements and work on that. Okay, very good. Next. Louder.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Riyan Sheikh, and I have taken PCM with Hindi, and I scored 75% in 10th CBSE board, and I want to do NDA.
Very good. But do you know the NDA entrance?
Yes,
And what is the age limit criteria?
and from 16 to 17 to 20.
20 to 20. Earlier it was 19, na? Okay, now it is changed?
No, ma'am.
Right? Before completing 19 years, you have to go for NDF.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will get 2 attempts, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you should find out. Okay, next. Very good. देखो 10th class score doesn't matter, but for getting science subject, there is a requirement you should fulfill that. Okay, next.
My name is Harshit. I chose PCM plus CS in class 10th. I scored 85% in CBSE board. I want to become an ND officer.
ND officer, because you have good height, but you know the prerequisites? Just we discussed. Okay, very good. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Aditya Vani.
Louder. Fast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Aditya Rajaramani. My 10th board score was 85%, and I took science PCM with computer science, and I have not decided yet.
Okay. So he is going in blind area without torch. He don't have any goal and aim. But you should have aim and goal. ब्लाइंड एरिया में बिना टॉर्च के जाओगे तब गिरोगे, पड़ोगे, उठोगे, फिर जाओगे, लेकिन उसमें टाइम जाएगा ना. टॉर्च के साथ you will have clear vision. So better to carry torch. So you should have aim and goal. So find out prerequisite for that. Very good. Where are you? I was searching for you, Aditya.
I am Aditya Lange. I scored 80% in class 10, and my goal is to become engineer.
Engineer? Which engineer? Editor? Which editor?
Video editor.
Video editor. I am also video editor. So you also got that addiction. I'm also too much addicted. You people must have seen we have crossed 350 videos, but almost 50 videos I kept in not in public. It's in private. My personal family videos I keep shooting for that. So addiction of video editing. So do you aware of that those software? Come on, tell me one or two. After Effects. Please share with me. I do with OpenShot. Very good, Aditya. But for that requirement is what are your future plans with video editing? Okay. Very good, Aditya. Thank you. Very nice. Congratulations. Next, Manusvi. Come on, tell me your score. Either facing camera.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manasvi Patil. I have scored 70% in 10th CBSE. I have chose PCM plus computer science, and my aim in my life is to become NDA officer.
Very good. So do you know the requirement of NDA? Not completely. So we need to find out.
Yes,
and right now there is a college for girls NDA.
yes,
Should find out about that. Very good. Next.
My name is Dipansha. I scored in 10th 70%. I want to become a NDA officer and I chose PCM with CS.
Okay, CS will help for NDA. Is there any requirement of CS? Just you don't have option for that. Okay. Next.
Myself Shrutika Raikar. I scored 80% in class 10 CBSE.
Very good.
My aim in my life is to become an IPS officer. I chose PCM plus CS in class 11.
But IPS, why you choose the science?
Because I want to pursue a degree in ISO.
Okay, very good. But for that ISO, do you know you need to qualify JEE?
Yes, sir.
With how much score?
I don't know the actual score. I need to
There is a very tough competition for ISO. So keep preparing well. Good. Next.
I got 86% in my 10th CBSE result.
Very nice. 86 बहुत बढ़िया है.
I want to become a data scientist.
Data scientist.
First I
PCM.
will do engineering, then master's course for 2 years.
Which engineering?
Normal
Normal
IT
engineering.
engineering. Then through that I will do course of data scientist. And then
Is there anyone in your family data scientist?
no.
Then how
I am
you
the
come
first-
to know about this?
My neighbor is there.
Okay. So you interest with that neighbor. Very good. Find out the
He have got
prerequisites.
settled in foreign, and I have also dreamed to settle in there.
Very good, very good. But try to plan and think to work for India. Okay, very good. Louder.
मेरा नाम आशीष केदार है और मैंने 10th में 83%
तुम्हारी बात सुन ली तो तुम भी इनकी सुनोगे ना?
83% मिले और
हाँ, आगे क्या प्लान है?
मैंने PCM इसलिए लिया कि मुझे JEE देनी है
हाँ.
और उससे मुझे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर
ओके, जेई के लिए आपको पता है कितने परसेंटेज होने हैं +2 में? 75%. वेरी गुड. मीन्स ये एरिया सच में बहुत ज़रूरी है. लेकिन मैं आप लोगों के साथ और एक शेयर करना चाहूँगी. +1 में इंटरनल असेसमेंट के भी परसेंटेज है जो लास्ट ईयर के बैच को पता नहीं थे. तो आप लोग वो प्रॉब्लम में मत फंसना. बच्चों ने फाइनल एग्जाम के स्कोर पे ही डिपेंड थे. उनको लगा फाइनल में पेपर अच्छा दिया, अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. तो भी इंटरनल असेसमेंट के मार्क्स में परसेंटेज वाला जो क्राइटेरिया है वो टीचर से पता करो एंड ट्राई टू क्वालिफाई दैट. ओके.
My name is Ranveer. I took PCM. I want to become a Navy officer.
Navy officer. So do you know the entry of Navy? What are the requirements? Not now. Okay. This session is for eye-opening session. You need to find out what are the prerequisites for Army, Navy, Air Force. Very good. And after going Navy, you need to do the C certificate course, and that is +1 +2. You can join that NCC. You can direct enter Navy. One of our students from 2011 batch, Wilson Shinde, he joined. He was lieutenant in Navy. Later he resigned from the as his father was not well, due to kidney fail, his mother was not in position to do the dialysis regularly. So he left job. But right now, by completing education, again he entered that NCC. He is an NCC assistant officer right now.
Good afternoon. My name is Nehanshik. I scored 80% in class 10. I want to become cyber security.
Cyber security. Very good. That is the very most needed area. So you know the for cyber security what course you need to do?
Not that.
To find out. This session is eye-opening session. Whatever dreams you are thinking or dreaming, you need to find out that course. Okay? Very good. Next.
Myself, Abhinav Gupta. My score of class 10th is 82%, and currently I took a PCM plus CS stream because I want to do engineering as a machine learning stream, and further I want to do MBA.
Very good. Why MBA?
As a backup, yeah. Yes, as a backup.
Do you know how many branches there for MBA?
Ma'am, currently my focus is on engineering stream.
Engineering stream. Yes, very good. But engineering, which engineering you
Machine learning.
Machine learning. And for machine learning engineering, is there any entrance exam?
No, after JEE we can do on the basis of JEE.
But
आओ आगे बढ़ते हैं, आओ आगे बढ़ते हैं.
everyone keep attention. Sit straight. Ready? Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
During today's first class of library, I would like to invite all of you to KV Southern Command's library. But during library's first period of this academic session, I would like to know why you choose commerce. So first you need to introduce yourself and tell why you have chosen commerce. What are your future plans? And what are the requisites of any course you decided for that? So I would like to start with
my name is Rohit Kalam, and I want to pursue a career in MBA in finance field. For that, we have to do a graduation before doing the MBA of any of kind of graduation. After that, we have to crack an exam called CAT, which is required for MBA, and then we will have to study for 2 years in that field. And then, yeah.
okay. So you know what are the prerequisites of your. Good afternoon, beta.
My name is Nilesh, and percentage
Tell me.
I scored 50% in 10th, and I want to go in army. For that, first I will go in NCC. For there are 3 years. And
3 years course, NCC.
Yes.
NCC cadet course.
Yes.
But you need to achieve A certificate course.
C certificate.
C certificate course.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So you are aware of that.
Yes.
Just I was confusing you. Very good. Again, line next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Louder.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Atharva.
Good afternoon.
Yes,
Haan.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
My
afternoon.
name is Atharva.
Haan.
My main reason is to pursue commerce, that I am interested in commerce. I love accounts and business studies. That's why I have chosen commerce.
Very good. And what are your future plans? What you would like to become?
Ma'am, actually I have not decided till now.
Okay.
But I know that...
Same question I would like to repeat. You would like to carry torch while going in blind area or without torch?
With torch.
So you should have aim and goal. At least you should have vision where you would like to go. And for going that you need to know the prerequisite of that course. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pranav Jadhav. I got 64% in 10th, and I want to be a businessman and also a trader. And in future plans, I also want to be a...
Come on, tell me. Don't hesitate. शर्माना नहीं. बोल दो.
a businessman, and a trader.
Trader. Do you age requirement of trader? 18. At what age you can start trading?
18.
Very good. Good afternoon.
I'm Om Tamboli. I chose commerce because like I want to more have to pay more focus to my sports. I play 3 sports: taekwondo, calisthenics, and gymnastics.
Okay. Did you presented KVS regional, national for these sports?
I participated in clustered but lost.
Okay, but what about regional, state board sport activities? You are participating, achieved any level?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just you are focusing and you had joined the club and you are doing the practice.
Beginner.
Okay, very good. So.
आओ आगे बढ़ते हैं, आओ आगे बढ़ते हैं.